1,956,066.
चेक करना मतलब होता है क्या, चेक कर रहे हैं?
जी सर,
ये वेबसाइट का ऑथेंटिकेशन मतलब ये जो डेटा दे रहा है वेबसाइट ऑथेंटिक है, इसका कोई मतलब ये है कि चेक हो रहा है कि हाँ ये ऑथेंटिक है, या फिर हम किसी और वेबसाइट से अगर देखते हैं तो डेटा शायद अगर अलग हुआ तो मतलब
सर दूसरा
ऑथेंटिसिटी वेबसाइट
सर
एक ही
ये
वेबसाइट से आ
सब
रहा है क्या, अलग अलग वेबसाइट से आएगा?
सर एक ही वेबसाइट से आ रहा है सर।
हाँ, तो आपने ये वेबसाइट का ऑथेंटिसिटी चेक किया कि ये वेबसाइट का जो डेटा है ये
यस सर, ऑथेंटिक है।
ऑथेंटिक है?
यस सर। सर ये वेबसाइट सर जब स्टार्ट हुआ था कोरोना वायरस तब से इससे चालू है सर, एकदम बिगिनिंग से है ये वेबसाइट पर।
अच्छा, तो ये इंडिया का कोई ऐसा वेबसाइट नहीं है, कोई ढूंढा नहीं
यस
कि
सर।
इंडिया का कोई डेटा मिल जाए ऐसा स्पेसिफिकली इंडिया
सर इंडियन
या
इंडियन
स्पेसिफिकली
केसेस भी
कोई
है
सिटी
सर
के
इसमें।
लिए? नहीं
यस
नहीं,
सर, इंडियन
ये तो
केस।
ओवरऑल वर्ल्ड का इंक्लूडिंग है ना,
यस सर।
इंडिया का
सर वी
सिर्फ
कैन
इंडिया
डिस्प्ले
का?
इंडियन केसेस आल्सो।
ओके, अच्छा।
सर इसके लिए थोड़ा सा सर प्रोग्राम में थोड़ा सा चेंज करना पड़ेगा, इंडियन केसेस आ जाएंगे।
और ये आपका सारे
सर
मतलब जितने भी ओएस है सबसे कंपैटिबल होगा कि आपको इस टेक्निकल उसको रिक्वायरमेंट होगी?
नो सर, सर इसके लिए टेक्निकल रिक्वायरमेंट कुछ नहीं चाहिए, ये चल जाएगा हर पीसी पे चल जाएगा, इनफैक्ट फोन्स पे भी चल जाएगा अगर प्रॉपरली मॉड्यूल किया है तो।
तो किसी भी ओएस पे किसी भी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम पे ये कंपैटिबल है?
यस सर। सर पाइथन प्रोग्राम है सर, इसको खाली हम लोग को एक एग्जीक्यूटेबल फाइल बनाना पड़ेगा लिनक्स के लिए या विंडोज के लिए, जिसके लिए बना रहे हैं, बना के इसको सर किसी पे भी चला सकते हैं सर।
बेटा
अभी
मेरे को इसके ना
ये
दो एप्लीकेशन बता देती, मतलब इसके एप्लीकेशन क्या क्या हो सकते हैं, यूज किधर किधर हो
सर
सकता है?
न्यूज़पेपर्स का इसको अपना मॉड्यूल की तरह यूज कर सकते हैं, न्यूज़पेपर्स वगैरह वेबसाइट के लिए अपने। और इसको मतलब नॉर्मल जो नोटिफिकेशन आते हैं जैसे गूगल पे आता है नोटिफिकेशन कि आपका एरिया पे कोविड-19 लोकेशन ये इतना काउंट हो गया है आपके एरिया पे, या इंडिया में इतना काउंट हो गया है, गूगल नोटिफिकेशन भेजता है हमको, उसकी तरह भी इसको यूज कर सकते
ओके, गुड।
हैं। थैंक यू।
या मैम?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss. Am I audible? Hello, am I
Yeah,
audible?
yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Siddiqui Vasia Mohammed Fazan from AE Kalsikar Degree College. I am here to represent my payroll software. The name of the project is Paytech Payroll Software. So, let's start with the introduction. So, what actually payroll software is and why is it used? So, payroll software is a solution by HR to manage the entire life cycle of payroll. Payroll is actually list of companies employ and the amount of money they are to be paid. एक कंपनी में कितने एम्प्लॉयज काम करते हैं एंड what amount should be paid to them is actually payroll. So payroll is the need of today's era because whether it is a hospital, a school, a garment shop, or any industry, we need payroll everywhere. Why? To calculate salary of employees. So if a person of the HR department of a particular industry will start calculating salary manually, it will be hectic because there are not 5 employees in an industry or in a company or 10. Sometimes there are 10,000 employees, while in some cases there are 50,000 employees, whereas when the organization is very large there are 1 lakh employees. So the era came with an adaptation in payroll by bringing a technology that will calculate the salary of all employees, whether 50,000 or 1 lakh, in just few seconds. Now we have solutions like payroll softwares which make HR management's work easy. Like we have Runtime HRMS, Zing HR. There are many solutions available today. There are many types of payroll softwares. Like for small scale, there are some softwares that are made only for small scale businesses where the employee size is less. There are some softwares which work for big scale businesses where the company size is 1 lakh or 10,000 or 50,000. So today I will be representing my small project named Paytech Payroll Software. So this is a project that is made with HTML, CSS, a little of JavaScript, PHP script, and Oracle database. The data that will be saved in my project is stored in the Oracle database at the backend. In today's technology, there are many modules in payroll softwares like attendance calculation, leave records, reports, exit management, because they work on a very large scale. So, but my payroll software is small, so it consists of some modules. So my modules are home, all employees, add new employees, update record, delete record, employee bank details, and generate payroll. So as I said, I'm using Oracle database. I will be using PHP script to connect with Oracle database. We will start this using XAMPP server. As you can see, I have already started my XAMPP server because as we all know, PHP script runs with PHP server. So I'm using XAMPP server for this, and I have connected my Oracle database with PHP script. I've already started my XAMPP server. So I have started my project in the local host. As you can see, this is my welcome page. This is the home page. When you will start my Paytech payroll software, the name of the project is Paytech payroll software. It will give you a welcome page and it will display a message like start with your payroll. Okay, so here are so from here we can enter our employees, like we can add new employees from here. There are many tabs like we need many information, we need personal data of employee, bank detail because we need to pay salary, and we need the work profile, the designation, the qualification of the employee. So there are many tabs here. The data of the employee will be saved from this section, add new employees. Now when the data will be saved, it will display here. This is the all employees, and here all our employees will be displayed. Here will be the basic salary. Some of the important details will be displayed here. Now what if we have added an employee and we have added some wrong information, so we need to update that. So from here we will be updating. Here we can enter the employee code, whatever the employee code is, and from here we can select the field which we want to update. Here we can enter the new data, and from here it will get updated. Now what if some of the employee have exited, or due to some reason we want to delete some records? So from here we can delete the records. Now when we pay salary to the employees, we need the bank details because आज के ज़माने में no one pays manually, like हाथ में कोई salary देता नहीं है. We need bank details because everything is online today. So here is the bank details of the employees. Now if we want to generate payroll, like if we want to, we have all the salary, we are not going to calculate it manually, or we are not going to calculate it on calculator. So we have entered all the basic needs for calculating the salary. Now we want to generate payroll for all the employees together in just a few seconds. So, yeah. Okay. So from here we can generate payroll, and here will be the total salary. Now I will be showing a small demonstration of how it is working. I'm adding the data here. Okay, I'll add this name, middle name. This is, let's add this. Okay, now let's add this date of birth, address. Let me just type some small address. Let's add the account number of the employee, work profile, effective from, let's, now let's submit the record. So as we can see, the record is inserted. Let me show the backend. So this is where we have inserted the record. You can see I have entered this name Hasiba Fawzan Siddiqui. The employee detail has been inserted. Now, if we want to update, similarly, we can update. As I am having very less time, I will not show that. Okay, let me show just 2 minutes. We have entered 1002. Let's make employee code. Okay, let's change the name. We will change it to Rafia. Now we can see Hasiba has been changed to Rafia. Now we can delete. Now let's delete this record. This record has been deleted. We can see over here. This record has been deleted. Now, yeah. Thank you. Yes, miss. Thank you. Yes, miss. Thank you.
Ms. Vasia,
Yes, sir.
can you hear me?
Yes,
So
sir.
you made this payroll software. Already there are so many softwares and applications available on mobile also. I
Yes,
think
sir.
there is one Khata book, Pagar book, such kind
Yes,
of
sir.
softwares and applications already available. So
Yes,
how is
sir.
it your software is different from them? What is the difference between your software and them? The
Okay.
idea is already there. Product is
Actually,
already there. No?
Actually, I'm currently working on this project, and we are finding that how can we make our software different from others. So we have done research on this. So we are finding, actually now I'm a student. I haven't made that much advanced. I haven't made this project that much advanced, but I am working for this in future. So inshallah, I will make that too. There are many modules that we can add to make it different. Like there are many modules currently available, but we can make it unique by adding some of the features that the current softwares do not have. Like they have QR attendance, they have eye contact attendance, they have biometric attendance, and they have reports. So like I'm currently working on this to make my project unique.
Okay, so they use AI also, no? Face recognition and
Sorry,
eyes. They use
sorry, sir.
AI, they these softwares,
Yeah,
other software. I'm talking about those simple softwares which are there on the mobile phone. There are applications are there for
yeah,
salary book kind of payroll software.
yeah.
They are simple software. They don't have that much of advanced AI technology. They don't use AI technology, but they use normal algorithms. And
Yes.
every month, the salary of a person is not uniform or it's not constant all around the year. The person may get incentive, the person may get called increment, and the salary
Yes,
will
sir.
change. It will increase gradually, right?
Yes,
Automatically.
sir.
But
Yes,
for
we
your
can.
software, every month the person for every month we have to manually then do the same thing.
We can
Every
manage.
month,
We can update salary details by adding that, by increasing or decreasing that provident fund, TSI, and taxes and all. We can update that details.
manually we have to do it every month.
Yeah, like not. Yeah, 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 manually. Now it is manually. Yeah.
Then it will be like automatically the software tell us that the employees there's an increment due date now on the work, so the salary will automatically change.
Okay.
अच्छा, ठीक है. But your idea is very good. The application is very good.
Thank you, sir.
Your idea has an application in the real world. Very good. ठीक है,
Thank
Simon.
you, sir.
Over to you. हाँ मैम.